How's it going, guys? Hope everybody's well. Welcome back to another Sunday episode of 100 Days of Salad. So basically, pretty simple salad today. We had a bit of sun-dried tomato pesto that was actually left in the fridge by my sister, and the greatest thing, or one of the greatest things about salad is you can literally open your fridge and go, this could work. So we're gonna see if this is gonna work. I'm gonna prep up some of the ingredients and then I will come back to putting it all together. See you in a bit. Okay, so ingredients are prepared. Basically, we have spinach, some baby tomatoes with some spring onions underneath those guys. I don't want to do two bowls. We've got some jalapeno chilies, we've got the goat's cheese, we've got some slices of red pepper, and then we've got some chopped red pepper, which we're actually just going to mix the sun-dried tomato pesto into that. All on top of that will be an avo, and I'll pop in some olive oil on top of that. So let's get started. Let's just mix in this basically tomato pesto into the sun-dried tomatoes, and we're kind of making just a tomato, sun-dried tomato mixed pesto stuff, which I'm guessing is going to be very nice. And in themes of this week, we went for a green salad all on Friday. Sunday's salad is a red salad. I will try and make sure that I shoot these, or I release this video on a Sunday. Okay, so that's mixed in and all done. That is looking delicious and smelling even better. That is just gonna all go on the salad like that. That is the main body of the salad. Let's pop in the sun-dried tomatoes coming around, the cherry tomatoes coming around with the spring onions on top. The jalapenos. This is the last of this can of jalapenos, or this jar of jalapenos. We're just going to decorate it now with the big pieces of red pepper, and on top of that is just going to end up with the avo. So we got half an avo. I mean, I'm pretty sure that any salad recipe that you ever have, an avo is always allowed to go on top, and it's healthy and just adds just an extra layer of complexity to your meal. And on top of that, we're just going to pop on the cheese. And I think this one, we haven't done it in a while. I think in this one we're going to put on some of our seed mix, just to add a teeny bit of crunch and to get a bit of protein from the chia seeds. And on top of that, a bit of olive oil. And that actually should be fine. I'm not going to go for sun-dried. I'm not going to go for vinegar today or any orange juice today. I'm guessing from the pesto there should be enough of the bite. And that's all, folks. Thank you very much once again for watching. Subscribe, hit like, hit some comments down below. Come join us again tomorrow. And yeah, let me know how you're enjoying the videos or not enjoying the videos. Rather, just let me know how you're enjoying the videos, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Cheers.